Hello and welcome to Performance Mondays. Another BMW build for us, this time a G81 BMW M3 Touring. So this car's come in standard form and we've just done some carbon work on it. I'll take you around the car and show you what we've done. As you can see, start with the front grills. So this is the big bugbear, everyone's opinion splits on this car. The carbon fibre CSL front grills with CSL style front splitter and carbon fibre brake and air ducts in there as well. So this is all pre-preg carbon fibre. It's TRE, quality is virtually OEM, it's pretty much perfect. Coming on the side of the car, again another thing with these cars is the wheel arch gap. Lowered on IBAC Pro Springs, so just lower the front by 20mm. The rears on the M3 don't get done, so we'll just lower the front of the car. Come down to side sills, carbon fibre side sills as well. They just sit underneath the factory skirt. A really nice finish. The quality's perfect. See the weave's beautiful, really consistent. Nice glossy finish on there. Come around to the rear of the car. So that's the factory height. That's actually a standard height on the car, so no need to drop the rear on an M3. Come around to the rear of the car. Side, that's there. The carbon rear diffuser. It's also got the carbon surround as well, as you can see. Fits perfectly. Really, really enhances the look. It's a lot more aggressive than the standard factory gloss black finish. And last of all on this car, we've done the mirror backs as well. So again, pre-preg carbon, fits perfect. These are actually a one piece. There's no split, so I think the BMW M Performance ones actually have two pieces. These are a one piece unit. It completely transforms the car. We've done wheel spaces as well, so as you can see the wheels are Biomet wheel spaces, 10mm out, just to bring the wheel arch in and then flushing the arch. I think the overall finish looks absolutely fantastic and completely transforms the car. So I hope you've enjoyed the video and watch out for the next one we do, which will be coming soon. Thank you.